sis, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I showed you guys a quick 5-minute out the door makeup routine. This is literally my everyday makeup routine for work, guys. So it's quick out the door, very simple, very easy, minimal product, affordable product, and just a very flawless finish. So if you are interested in how I achieve today's look, then just continue to watch. All right, so this is literally my everyday routine. I do a quick, simple out the door look every day for work. So this makeup look is supposed to be just a quick out the door makeup look, no more than 10 minutes. I would say about 5 minutes, so just a really quick 5-minute makeup routine. So I have very specific products I like to use. I kind of narrow down the full face version and just pick certain things that I personally need for my everyday look. Everyone's everyday look is personalized to what they specifically need or want to do with their skin. For me, brows are important. I have to get my brows done. So I am going in with my Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, and I like this one because it has the spoolie on one side and then of course the pencil on the other side. So if you can get something that is also multitasking, that's even better. So I'm just using the spoolie end to brush out my brows, and I need to get my brows done, but that is besides the point. So I just brush them out and then lightly fill it in. All right, so these are my brows filled in. So normally in a full face routine, I like to conceal underneath and the top portion of my brows, but for this everyday quick look, I only conceal the bottom portion. And I do go in with a skin tone concealer. So I am going in with my Revlon Skin Awakening Concealer. This is my go-to at the moment. I am going to reuse this later on for my under eyes and everything, but when we get to that, I'll show you. But I am going in with this concealer and just a flat brush, and we're just going to clean up the bottom portion. We don't need to worry about the top portion, especially for an everyday quick out the door look. I just like a very sharp brow. I didn't go in with too much product either. So you guys saw that I was blending it out as well as applying it. So I kind of did 2 in 1. So I just outline and then I just blend it out lightly with the same brush. And then if you need to, you could go in with your fingers just to finish up the blending process. But that's it for eyes, guys. Very simple, quick and easy. I know everyone's brow routine is different, but yeah, brows is important for me, so I have to do them. I have to. So I do go back in with my spoolie just to make sure that the product is just in there properly and that my brows look even. If I do need to go back in with some of the pencil to kind of make them look even, then I do, like right now, this area. Yeah, that's about it for brows. So the next thing I do is conceal. I do not use primer. So primer for me is when I'm doing a nice full face of makeup. Because I'm not doing a full face of makeup, I don't usually go in with a primer unless I know I am just packing on a lot of product and going to be wearing my makeup for a long period of time. Other than that, I just skip the primer step and I go right into concealing. So I'm gonna take the same concealer and just conceal my dark under eyes. I do conceal around my mouth where I have just hyperpigmentation, any dark spots. And then to blend it out, I just go in with a dense blending brush. This is like a mini version. So I do have a more bigger, dense brush this is more of like for all over the face. This one here is more for like concealer. So I'm just gonna use this to blend everything out. All right, so next we're going in with a second concealer. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade Honey, and this is my highlighting concealer. I like to have a more highlighted and awake look underneath my eyes, so I do go in with a concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my complexion, just to highlight my under eyes. Some days I only do my under eyes. Other days I may want to just do kind of like everything, but I don't use a lot of product. I just use a light hand and that's it. That is it. I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge and just blend it out. Now you guys may be asking, why did I go in with 2 concealers? Why didn't I just use this highlighting concealer? And that is because if I do go in with this concealer without concealing my dark circles, underneath my eyes is going to have a gray cast. Because this is a light concealer, it's not doing anything but brightening. So I always like to just use a concealer that is going to conceal the darkness, and then I go over it with a concealer that will brighten. All right, so now we're going in with a powder to set our highlighted areas. I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy Maybelline loose powder. This is in medium deep, and I don't do a heavy hand. I think the whole thing about this look is I don't use a lot of product. I try to use less product just because it is like an everyday look. So I just take a bit of the powder and just set all of my highlighted areas. All right, so next comes our all over powder. This is just going to bring everything together and make me look real again. I look kind of crazy right now. So our all over powder is going to bring everything together, set everything in place, and just allow for a very flawless finish. So I am going in with the Nude by Nature loose powder. This is the Radiant Loose Powder Foundation, and I'm in the shade N10 Toffee. And I'm just taking a big fluffy brush, dusting off the excess because I don't want to go in with too much at first, and then we're just going to put this all over. So the last product we're going to use for complexion is blush. I am skipping the contour step, but the blush is going to act as my contour. It's just going to give me, I'm going to place it in a way where I'm kind of giving myself a light contour, but also giving myself that nice flush of color. So I'm going to dip into my Maybelline blush. This is in the shade Berry. I'm going to smile, and we're just going to brush it along the cheeks. I do like to put some on my nose as well. I like that it gives me a nice fresh look. So next thing I'd like to focus on is my eyes. So it depends what you like. I personally like wearing lashes. I'm very quick at applying my lashes. So if you are in a rush, it's optional. Honestly, some days I don't even wear my lash. I'll just apply mascara. So you could either do your mascara or your lash. I am going to apply some lashes. So I'll apply those and then I'll be back to apply my mascara. Okay, lashes are on. I'm going in with my Ardell Faux Mink mascara, and I'm just going to blend my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna apply some to my bottom lashes as well. All right, so that's it for eyes. Now for lips, all I do is apply a clear lip gloss, guys. Very simple procedure. So I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Super Gloss. This is in the shade Raspberry. All right guys, last but not least, I'm taking my setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray, and I'm just going to set everything in place. All right, sis, so that completes this 5-minute look, quick 5-minute out the door look with less product, but you still look put together, you still look flawless, your skin is shining, your skin is glowing. Very easy and quick out the door. This is literally my everyday look for work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.